to take his wife, their 3 sons, and their wives into the ark. When Noah and his family and all the animals and birds were safely inside, God closed the big door of the ark. 7 days passed, and it did not rain. What do you think they did in the ark for those 7 days? Noah might have assigned each person to do his or her chores. There was a lot of work to be done with so many animals to feed and care for. Outside, the sun was shining brightly. The people probably laughed at the thought of Noah inside the ark with all those animals. Inside the ark, Noah waited and wondered. Had he preached the truth? Would the flood really happen? He knew it would, as God said it would. He just didn't know when. Suddenly, the sky darkened. Lightning flashed across the sky, and thunder crashed with a frightening, deafening sound. The people had never seen a rainstorm. They began to shake in fear. Then big, heavy drops of rain splattered on them. But wait, something else new and different scared them. Water was rising up from beneath the crowd. Already they were standing in deep water. Noah was right after all, the people cried. He wanted us to obey God and go to the ark, but we only laughed. They rushed to the ark. Let us in, Noah! Let us in! But it was too late. Noah and his 3 sons could not open the door. God had closed the door. The rain fell night and day without stopping. It came down in torrents and flooded the streams and the rivers. The water began to rise higher and higher, and still it rained. The people climbed trees and rushed frantically up hills and mountains, but there was no escape. The water rose up until it covered everybody outside of the ark. For 40 days and nights, the rain fell. But Noah and his family and all the animals were safe inside the ark. They were safe because they had followed God's directions and built the giant boat. A vicious storm raged on the outside, but inside they were safe and dry. They were resting in God's loving care. When the rain finally stopped, Noah opened the window. There was nothing to see but water. No one could leave the ark yet.